Hello, what is up everyone? R34 here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and today we have the Mini GT Nissan Skyline GTR. By the way, this is the R34 in Bayside blue. So basically, yes, I know many JDM fans will like this basically because obviously this is an R34, and not gonna lie, you all love R34s. Number 341 from basically everything, and then there's the Nissan licensing right there, and if you need that, there you go. TSM models, and then yes, GTR over there. Let's go ahead and open this up. Mini GT is suddenly getting faster with their releases so far. Like the Mini GT community and official page, well, they're starting to release more pre-orders very fast. But basically, I don't get pre-orders. I don't do pre-orders. I just buy it when it came out from any store, and then buy it and then maybe review it. Yeah. So here we have the R34 Skyline in this awesome looking Bayside blue, and yo, this looks so sick and clean. The fact that obviously this is stock, this is not a Liberty Walk version or anything, this is pure stock. Obviously R34, very cool. I know there are some other exclusive colors released, one for Christmas and another color for a certain event. I'm not sure what is it about, but yeah, so far there's no other colors beside this that are basically in the normal range, the normal Mini GT range. I know there are the exclusives which cost like double to triple of the normal version. So yeah, basically this is the R34, and I love the blue on this one. Obviously with a bit of lighting, it's a bit different of the color right there, but yeah, at least you can kind of see the color right here. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So here we have it. Here's the side angle, and as you can see, very clean along the side. You have some 6 spokes right here, which kinda looks like the real life car itself. And yeah, I did a bit of checking into the Mini GT cars, and I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but if you look closely, the interior is actually quite detailed. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, maybe you don't, but yeah, you could kind of see the interior. Oh yeah, by the way, the interior is black. There's the side mirrors right there, rubber, you know. Yeah, they're quite fragile, as you can see. Here's the front, and yes, obviously you have the GTR badge at the grill right there, black grill, very nice. You have a bit of a what do you call that, front bumper right here in blacked out front bumper, which is quite cool. You have the headlights, which are transparent and very nice. Here's the other side if you want to see it. Top totally looks clean. I love the effect on the color right here. It kind of looks like it's metal flake, but turns out, well, Mini GT has their own type of color which makes it a bit sparkling. I don't think you call it metal flake in this one, but I'm not so sure about it. Here's the back. You have a bit of orange right here at the rear window, as you can see right there, and then you have this stock spoiler, obviously right here. I believe this is plastic. Yeah, it should be plastic. And here are the 4 rear lights, as you can see, 4 circles, 2 big ones, 2 small ones, and then you have the reverse light right there. Quite a great touch to the GTR. You have the Nissan logo right there, and the license plate says Skyline GTR, and you have the quad exhaust pipes, which are colored in silver, which are pretty great. Looking at the base right here, obviously it's in this matte type of color. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Yeah, you can see properly the quad exhaust pipes right there in silver right there. Quite interesting. Mini GT at the top, made in China at the bottom. Overall, great to see the R34 has joined the Mini GT family. I quite like it so much. Hold on, let me position that. There you go. So yeah, great to see the R34 officially in Mini GT. Always wanted this. Many fans have been asking for this from Mini GT, and they finally made it officially, which yeah, a great step forward from other vehicles and cars, or maybe trucks, and obviously way better than Hot Wheels and what else? I'm not sure Tarmac has made this, but yeah, way better than what Hot Wheels have made in the past. Hopefully they will make more colors of this. Really do like to see it. And yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. Once again, thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe now. See you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.